What does the first R stand for? First R stands for read, exactly. So now that we have directed our attention, we start reading, not front till back, but around those titles, diagrams, visuals, etc. So you're going to be way more specific with what you're reading. Again, you're not reading from top till bottom because it will still take you hours, but you're going to read everything around the bold word, seeing if you can find the definition. Then what does the second R stand for? Recall. Exactly. We give ourselves some time to try and answer the questions generated earlier. If we find this difficult, this might mean that you took in too much information reading. What happens then? Extinction, extinction. Well, you guys know what I mean, or suffocation. So if you have a hard time with recall here, it might be because you're reading too much and therefore the first bits of information that you read are already gone. They disappeared. All right. What does the final R stand for? 3R. Review. Yes. We identify our gaps and we ask further questions in class, or we review after class the specific topics we found difficult. So this way we have a very clear system where we prepare only the topics that are important. By the way, also check your syllabus or course outline because your teachers will tell you what is important. Then we convert this information into questions to direct our attention and thinking. Then we read. Pro tip, read in small chunks and try to answer your questions the second R. And repeat this process, 1R and 2R, until you've covered your questions.